Odin, revered as the Allfather, stands as a monumental figure in Norse mythology, captivating the imagination of many. His insatiable quest for wisdom is legendary, a tale that has echoed through the corridors of time. Picture this. In a dramatic act of sacrifice, Odin willingly gave up one of his own eyes. This wasn't just a trivial decision. It was a profound exchange for deep, unparalleled knowledge. This bold choice illustrates the extraordinary lengths he would go to uncover the mysteries that shroud existence and to gain insight into the universe's most profound secrets. But the saga doesn't end there. Odin faced a grueling trial that tested his very essence. He hung himself from Yggdrasil, the colossal and sacred world tree, enduring an agonizing 9 days and nights. This was no ordinary act of endurance. It was a desperate quest for the runes, those ancient symbols that encapsulate power, fate, and the very fabric of reality. This sacrifice is rich with meaning, showcasing a crucial lesson. Wisdom is not simply about gathering information. It's about delving deep into the complexities of the human experience. Odin's teachings extend far beyond mere knowledge acquisition. He imparts vital lessons about sacrifice, urging us to recognize the importance of seeking truth in a world often clouded by illusions and falsehoods. His wisdom also encompasses the inevitability of fate, a powerful force that shapes our lives in ways we often cannot foresee. The intertwining of wisdom and conflict is another aspect of Odin's character. As a god of war, he illustrates how these two elements coexist, often in a delicate and intricate balance. Accompanying Odin on his journeys are his two ravens, Hugin and Munin, symbols of thought and memory. These majestic birds soar across the vast expanse of the world, tirelessly gathering information for their master. Their flight is not just a physical journey, it represents the relentless pursuit of knowledge. They remind us that true understanding comes from observing the world around us and reflecting on our experiences. In a time filled with uncertainty and chaos, the lessons of Odin resonate with profound relevance. We are encouraged to embark on our own quests for wisdom, fully aware that the pursuit of knowledge often comes at a steep price. However, the rewards of such endeavors can be transformative, reshaping our perceptions and guiding our paths in ways we might never have imagined. Odin's legacy is not merely a relic of the past. It continues to inspire and challenge us in our modern lives. His story invites us to reflect on our own journeys, our sacrifices, and our relentless quests for truth. The journey for wisdom is ongoing and multifaceted, and through it we discover strength, clarity, and a deeper understanding. Embracing Odin's teachings can empower us to navigate the complexities of life, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a noble and essential endeavor.